I think they mean August. I'm so sorry. Oh, there was some left. Okay. Oh, I don't want to do it. I feel violated. It smells like... Oh, I hate it so much. I hate you, Nuggets. Don't, but... I'm so sorry. As loud as I can, but... Brie Larson. Okay, I knew there was a Brie. Oh, God. It was a small one. That was a small one, but... No, it was like... It kind of broke up. Jesus. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I hate you for this. No, it's not happening. It's not a loud one. I had too much soup. It was long. Okay, it was long. It wasn't loud.
Now, my question is, how many people in chat have the game on X?
That's cute.
The Arizona green tea doesn't have
Hold up. I'm going to do a burp, baby. Last one. I promise. Alright, guys. Hell King Mike asked for a burp, so... For anyone who has their headphones turned up, I'm sorry. Oh, that wasn't even loud. It was just gross. I had Vegemite toast before this, so like... Oh, that one was really loud. I'm sorry. Sorry in advance. Oh, no. Oh, I don't want to do it. No, that one wasn't even good. I feel bad. That was barely worth it. It's like it got caught halfway. Oh, God. Slightly better. Slightly better. Yeah, normally I can burp really, really loud, but it's I don't know, it's real dull today. Maybe it's like what I ate. There's still air in there. God, guys, I'm so sorry. It's... Fuck, I'm so sorry in advance. Excuse me. It was... Oh wow, there's a bit more there. So like, you can see it go down. Yeah, that's a small one. I can do really, really loud one. Mad Rush, thank you for redeeming burp as loud as I can. I've been drinking milk, so it wasn't actually that loud. On command for like... Okay, I think that's all of it out. For so long. And that was for Rocky. Oh, yeah, like... Hold up, I really do have, like, air stuck in there. This air is just like, I'm just putting more and more in to try to get rid of it. Boo. That was a really gross... That didn't sound that loud. Yeah, that one's a bit better. Oh, that was so much grosser than I thought it would be. Pardon me. I'm also working on more time to... Oh, wow. I don't even know if I can still do this. Okay, I remember this used to hurt people's ears, so if I do it, like, turn your volume down. No, that wasn't very loud. It's been so... Guys, I just ate, like... She's gonna vomit. She might. Like, I know it has a greeting setting, but it didn't greet everyone else. It just chose one person. Oh, God, pardon me. I'm so happy to be back. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right. I was going to do the burp thing. This was for Philippe, because he asked. For those of you who don't know, I can burp on command. And normally I only do it once per stream, and they already got me. But there was a nice request for another, so... Okay, that's it though. I think my 10 years was maybe last year or the year before. Hayden just texted me. He's like in the lounge room. He was like disgusting, just laughing faces. Yeah, so when I do it, there's usually like a bunch left over too. I was gonna play Pokemon Snap.